Welcome to today's session on networking. So how many of you are excited to be here? We all need a network. There was a study conducted in US on 2 adjacent towns by a Chinese sociologist, and together with his son, they studied these 2 towns for over 1 decade. And they realized that in one town, people had great longevity. Their lifespan was until late 80s, 90s to even hundreds. And in the adjacent town, people were living about late 60s till late 70s, maybe early 80s. While the eating habits of these two were drastically different.
Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so only you and me are here. Oh, sorry.
We are live. Please mute yourself.
Please mute yourself. So guys, the eating habits of these 2 towns were drastically different. People who were having greater lifespan, they were having, they were whining, dining, not in the best of their shapes, not really gymming, while people in the adjacent town were Native Americans, great bodies, great shape, health food, all diet, and really ambitious. These people wanted to study what's the matter when the people who are more, easygoing in life, eating what they like, living the life of, laid back or easy way, are living longer than people who are so particular about their diets. They're so particular about gymming, exercising. And after a decade-long study, they realized that people in the town A, where there was less longevity, were the ones who didn't have a network. They were from Native America, where people move out of their houses in their teens, 14, 15, 16 years, 18 years, and they make a life of their own. They were living kind of a lonely life. They did have a network, but when they come back, they are living by themselves and highly stressful life. And in the adjacent town, people were living on the diet of olive oil, wines. They'll have a break in the afternoon, long siesta time, a family to come back home to, and a network around them. Soon as they move out for work, they'll have like their neighbors around them whom they will be saying hello, hi, exchanging pleasantries, stopping by to converse with them on their way to work. So they were not really rushed, and they were more focused on relationship building. They had relationships with people in their network, and that is why they were living a stress-free life. They were having longer lifespan. This is what network can do to you. How many of us actually want that? All of us, isn't it? Also, how many of you have seen rocket launching? Have you seen it on the TV? All of us saw it some time back. Now, what happens? When a rocket is to be launched, it needs energy, speed, and thrust. If we compare it to our lives, energy is what comes from within our own self. Speed is our speed of implementing, of taking action, of being proactive. And thrust is something that comes from our support system, our network that pushes us towards our goals, towards our directions. How many of us agree? Type agree in the comment box. So when the rocket is able to cross the gravity of Earth is because of its thrust, because the atmospheric pressure that is pushing it towards its goal. How many of us agree that we want that thrust? And how to generate that? Let us learn from my co-founder, my partner in crime, my husband, and author of 2 books, twice a TEDx speaker, Gallup certified strengths coach, Train the Trainer certified trainer, public speaker, holder of many workshops, Own the Stage, $1 Billion Secrets, and many more. So I invite Suresh Mancharamani. Let's give him a big round of applause, guys. Suresh.
Thank you very much, Uma. Good morning, all. A very, very warm welcome to all of you on this Sunday morning, Sunday mid-afternoon to present at this networking webinar. Good morning. So type your name and which city you are from. Which city are you from? There's so many people coming from all over India today. What an exciting day. Okay, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, Faridabad, Jaipur, Vadodara. So a lot of people from Bangalore, Rohini, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad. Very, very nice. So a very warm welcome to all of you. You could have been someplace else on this Sunday is a family day, but you decided to be here. So I want to thank you all. And I'm going to make sure this is going to be 1000x of your time, what you are spending today on this Sunday for next 90 minutes. And thank you for your commitment. 80% success is in showing up. Rudy Allen said that. And also, most successful people I study, they are committed. And you have committed to be here. You registered and you are here. So thank you very much. Let's start. Who all are excited to learn about networking during pandemic and after? Type excited in the comment box. All right, so is the audio, video, everything clear? Type AC clear in the comment box. Audio clear. Very well. See, very awesome people today. Okay, so before I start, I want to thank this young gentleman here who helps me with my presentations. This presentation is prepared by Saransh Gupta. So Saransh, thank you very much. I'm grateful for helping me with this. We met 2-3 months ago when we started doing this webinar. Until today, we haven't met. But he's done my course, Turbo Cell Blueprint. He's a platinum member, Tajurba. He joined my 1-year course. So great, great guys. Anyone needs help with your presentation, pitch deck, get in touch with him. His number is there. Okay, guys. So do I have your permission to share a little bit about myself, since we're going to spend 90 minutes and, since we can't meet physically for some time. So can I introduce myself, tell you a little bit about myself, where I come from? Yes or yes, type yes in the comment box. Okay, so this is me. This is my mantra of living. It isn't over until I win. This is a Les Brown quote. A little bit improvement from my side. The second line I added that it isn't over until I win and everybody around me wins. So I can only win if my people, my team, my students win. You can only win if your team wins, your company wins you work for, or your clients win. Yes or yes. If you agree with that, type agree in the comment box. Alone, no one can win. Everybody around you has to win to make it a bigger win. So this is me. I've celebrated January this year, 42nd anniversary of my 20th birthday. I'm 62-year-old. How many of you can feel that energy of 20-year-old? Type energy in the comment box. Can you feel that energy? 16, Keyur Patel. Wow, love you, man. Fantastic. So I was born in Ulhasnagar, Maharashtra, where my parents moved from Sindh, Pakistan. Anyone here from Ulhasnagar or somewhere near Thane or something? So this was a refugee camp. Yes, Sudarshan is from Thane. Yes, it's a Ulhasnagar is district Thane. My passport says I was born in Thane. So camp number 4, that time it was kind of a village and small barrack, 120 square feet, no toilet. And then, I worked very hard. Education was mostly in government schools and most poor family. But when you don't have education, you don't have money, you don't have mentor, you don't have capital, anything, resources. The only thing you have is your hard work. The people who can't see, their hearing power increases, or they sense very well. People who can't hear, they get another sense or power. So I had nothing, so I got this power of hard working till today. So I worked very hard, and Uma and myself, we built our company. In 1995, we became one of the largest exporters. We had a wonderful IPO in 1995, which went over 300 times. And This is followed by a presidential award. This is young me here. Mr. Chidambaran was the Commerce Minister. Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma was the President that time. I have done my 2 TED Talks and I'm a president of a trust in Delhi. We have a hospital, charitable hospital in West Delhi. And I wear awesomeness glasses. The reason of my energy and the smile you see on my face is because I wear awesomeness glasses. So what are awesomeness glasses? If you're wearing blue glasses, how's the world going to look to you? Blue or green? Type in the comment box. Blue, right? So the metaphor here is that what meaning we give to the situation around us. This is the first time in the history of our generation that we all, our whole world is facing same problem, that is COVID-19. We all have same problem. But everyone has got different meaning to this situation. Some people are depressed, their business has gone down, they are fighting with the family or spouses, too much closeness, they are putting on weight, and they are drinking and all those things, going depressed. Or some people are finding new opportunities, they are diversified, learn new skills, found new network and doing great. How many of you are doing great and having great time with family? Type me in the comment box. Rupa, volume is clear with everyone. Check your audio settings. Yeah, so people are having. So what I did when the pandemic started, I moved all my courses, online courses and all Tajurba meetings to online. And I lost in 90 days, I lost 22 kilo weight. And I reversed my diabetes and learned new skills to do webinar, learn Zoom, learn technologies. And over 700 people joined my courses across India. And we're launching Tajurba virtual chapters in 38 cities on 15th of August. So this is the mission we have. Create community of 1 crore SMEs and startups under Tajurba Game Changer. Largest ecosystem. We want to build an ecosystem where all of you as SMEs can learn, you get funding, incubating, mentoring, and community commerce. Community commerce is huge. People are not understanding yet. But on e-commerce, you do business, you don't know any supplier or who you are buying from. But in community, if you are part of Tajurba community or any other community, Jain community, or whatever community you are, you know the person is part of that community. And the business happens within the community. That's our vision. And wealth creation for every member, 100x growth. We don't believe in 10x. We believe in 100x. So what is business networking? Anyone, I want your comments on the comment box. This is going to be a very interactive and very high energy session. This is going to be your roller coaster on Sunday. How many of you have been on roller coaster? This is going to be that. This is the best webinar in the last many months you could have attended. All right, so what is business networking for you? Okay, interaction, discussion, brainstorming. Very good. Family, spread of business and growth. Networking to expand. You all are right. Super awesome. See, when you wear awesomeness glasses, you attract awesome opportunities like this. You attract awesome people in your life, awesome customer, awesome promotion, awesome job opportunities, and your life become awesome. Awesome relationship, awesome network, and awesome trainings like this. And I attract awesome people like this. So type awesomeness in the comment box. So you don't build business, you build people and then people build the business. You build people. How many of you had watched that Ani Katyal's video interview yesterday, YouTube live? He says, I build people and then build his empire. Networking is all about that. You build your network and then when your network starts to sell for you, and they start to recommend you and they start to give you their own business, you become a master network. Yes, Brajesh Gupta, leaders make leaders. So why networking is important for entrepreneurs? Because there is no self-made person. People say, I'm a self-made person. No, it's not correct. No one is self-made person. We all need some support in life. We meet some mentor, we meet some client, we meet someone who gives us a push, a friend, a brother, or a family, or anyone else, or a client. That comes from your network. We don't realize that we have invested time in that relationship. Manmohan Singh could not have been Prime Minister without Sonia Gandhi. That was network. If you want to be, say, an actor in Bollywood, where would you network? Bollywood, yes. You need support. You need people, you need mentors there. So are you part of any network? Type in the comment box if you're part of any network, like Tajurba or Rotary or Lions Club. Yes, a lot of Tajurba cars here. Round table, very nice. Avinasha, a lot of people from Tajurba. So what are your challenges in networking? Those people who are not part of network, or the people who are part of network but having challenges. Type in the comment box what are your challenges in networking. What do you face? Homi Maniksha, you are here. Good morning. Money. Okay, Asha, what is the challenge of money in networking? You are not earning money from networking? Time. Divya Bhardwaj, conversions. Okay, so people who are thinking money, people who are thinking conversions, let your mind be very clear today on this. Networking is building relationships. Conversion happens, but it doesn't happen quickly. It's a patience game. So what are the benefits of networking? I'll cover that money and conversions part. It leads to new and future business. Gives forum to promote and draw attention to your business, cause or personal brand. Help from and maintain a strong contact base. Like-minded people can come together to discuss common interests and allow you to learn from experience. So there are various things you can learn from experience. Arun Mishra, one of the panelists here, he joined Tajurba 2 years ago. And on the very first meeting, one chartered accountant gave him advice that he was not claiming certain incentives from the government on his software export. And same day, his benefits for the year 5 lakh rupees. So there are a lot of learnings. Tajurba, right now there are 225 people on this webinar. If average each one of us got 20 years of experience, say 15 years, over 3,000 years of experience of Tajurba right now is on this webinar. You need to leverage that Tajurba. It's not only about money. The money and the business is the byproduct of networking. The network is the horse, and money and business is the cart. So relationship comes first, and then money comes. You can't put the horse behind the cart. The horse has to be in the front of the cart. The relationship has to be in the front of the cart. A lot of people join networks. Lot of people join network. Networking is not about hunting, it's about farming, cultivating. You today want to, sow a seed of mango tree. You don't get your mango next year. It takes a couple of years to get your mangoes. And then you don't get one mango back. You get multiple mangoes. Generations after generation, seasons after season. And it's a very, very lonely journey. We need a support system around us. People who have support system live 14 years longer. I was reading on Google. And it's a long-term relationship. It's not about showing on functions or shaking a lot of hands, exchanging cards. It's a patience game. A lot of people join network and they think that 1 year I should get business. Now I want to ask you one thing. Do you get married thinking that 1 saal chalega to theek hai, nahi to divorce le lenge? Will that marriage work? Type in the comment box. If you get married with this intention that 1 saal dekhenge chalega to chalega, nahi to chhod denge. Do you start a business with this intention? 1 saal chalega to chalega, nahi to change kar lenge? No. Do you start saving in mutual fund or insurance? 1 saal mein return aayega to aayega, nahi to chhod denge. No, it doesn't happen that way. Things takes time. So is networking takes time. It's a patience game. How many of you heard the story of Chinese bamboo tree? Chinese bamboo tree, when you sow the seed and keep watering, nothing happened. People wonder, you wonder, nothing is happening. And suddenly after 5 years, within 5 weeks, it grows 60 meters. Boom. And that is networking. that you keep farming, you keep helping people, grow your goodwill, grow your brand, grow your influence. And the one day comes when your network, see the formula of wealth creation is, note it down. C plus N is equal to W. Type in the comment box, Mukesh Pandey. C plus N is equal to W. That is, first of all, capability. Yes, thank you, Brajesh. You should be capable. Second is credibility. You should be credible. If you screw up, your network knows in a flash of second. Jungle ki aag hoti hai na, the wildfire. Your network knows you are not credible, you are not doing what you promised, you don't deliver, or something is wrong with your services or product, you're done with your network. And then your network, if you're capable, you're credible, and no one knows about it, no one is recommending you, no one is giving you business from your network, nothing happens. So you need network. So all these three things combination will create wealth. All questions in the end. So if your network is mile wide and inch deep, it will never be successful. People go from network to network, this year, BNI next year, Tajurba third year, Rotary fourth year, Lions Club, and then nothing happened, networking is useless, I sit home and I concentrate on my business. Oh, this is your business, networking is your business. Operations your team handles. You only network, you build relationships. Now, let me ask you one thing. Is quantity important or quality important in networking? Type in the comment box, quantity or quality. What is important? Okay. So those who are saying quality, my question to you is left hand important or right hand important? Both. So you need quality, you need quantity. Networking is a lifelong game. It's not 1 year, it's not 1 month, it's not even 5 years. A networker is always a networker. You network everywhere. You network at cremations, you network at elevators. Everywhere you network. You build, you network at metro, you network in bus, you network in plane. Everywhere you network. You build relationships, get contacts, keep in touch with people. On social media, I draw 3 circles in network. One is your close circle, which is very, very high value network. Something like Tajurba. That is your inner circle. Then there is middle circle where the people meet you at different seminars. You met one, exchange cards, and then you follow up, and then again, once in a year, 2-3 times. And the outer circle is people, all your social media. So people come from outer to middle, middle to inner, not other way around. No one from your close circles go to outer circle. Draw 3 circles: inner circle, middle circle, and outer circle. The outer circle is your social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, all those connects you don't know, but they sometimes meet. A lot of my LinkedIn friends, we all meet sometime. We'll go to, a lot of people today are part of my Tajurba and training. I haven't met during last 3 months. They became part of this. I have not, till today not met, but great relationships on the Zooms have been built. That's what we're going to talk about today. So it's not what you know, it's how well you know each other. That is important. So one new connection can change your life. I was sitting at a friend's house dinner. His nephew is a very, very big officer at VFS. VFS is a visa outsourcing agency. And that company was sold for 10,000 crore, ladies and gentlemen, 10,000 crore. His name is Manpreet. I asked Manpreet, how come your boss got this idea of visa outsourcing? He said he was playing golf with US ambassador. He said there's so much of crowd and paperwork. We are looking for something to outsource. We can't handle it ourselves. He said, let me handle it. 10,000 crore, one golf meeting, one golf game. Another example, this guy Martin Barnes, he's a founder of PE Capital. They're building a Hyatt hotel in Australia. Very big guy. He met me at one of the meeting, and then we went to Dubai. He's a real estate developer, very big real estate developer in Australia, and we did roadshow in Dubai. Until today, we are friends. If I recommend him, all the panelists, please mute yourself. So I recommend him someone in Australia, and I get all the commissions and incentives if he sells anything in Australia. One connection, one meeting. I met him through somebody at a meeting. Until today, we are very good friends and did a lot of business in Dubai, doing business till today, lakhs and crores. Kumar Saurabh, please mute yourself. Seems there are background sounds on your side. This gentleman, young lawyer, PSP Legal, Piyush Singh, he met us in 2012 at a network. And then he became part of our network. All panelists, please mute yourself. Very important. I want no sound here, no disruption. Okay, so he met us and then he joined part of, became our network. And we referred him, I referred him initially one society, Unitech, 250 buyers. And its company, then he took position in home buyers because Delhi NCR and India, a lot of people didn't get houses in the last 20 years. Young lawyer team partners, 3-4 partners, and 27,000 cases in 4 years. Just because of networking. 27,000 cases. So that's the power of networking. Otherwise, it takes time. Lawyers normally, when they become old, then only, you know, the practice grows. It's 31, 32 years, 28,000 cases. I went to their office, looks like a IT office. 40 lawyers sitting there. Uma, please call Kumar Saurabh. I can't make any co-host during the webinar. Please call him and tell him to mute himself. Okay, don't be a business card vending machine. A lot of people go to networking events and they exchange cards. Like a vending machine. Here's my card. I've seen people carrying cards like this, 100 cards and tuck, 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 tuck. No, don't do that. It's a waste of time. Engage in conversation. Listen. Ask open-ended questions. Interesting questions. You don't have to meet 100 people. Come back with 5 or 10 good conversation, good relationships and follow up. And this is the wonderful question. How can I help you? These days, no one is asking anyone, how can I help you? A brother is not asking any brother, how can I help you? These are the golden words. Type, how can I help you in the comment box. How can I help you in the comment box? These are the golden words. At the right moment, say it will create huge impact. And you don't get a second chance to make a first good impression. Image consultant Amit Chaturvedi is here. One of my part of Tajuba. He's a great image consultant. Amit Chaturvedi, say hi to everyone. It takes less than 7 seconds for a person to look at you and decide subconsciously whether this person wants to do business with you, meet you, or want to have conversation with you. So your business card, if you don't get a compliment on your business card, get in touch with a good business, graphic designer. I want to show you my card. 17 rupees it costs, and I don't give it to everyone. People who engage with me in meaningful conversation, then only I give. So make sure your business card is good. It's your branding tool. It should be a professionally designed. Spend 5,000 rupees with a graphic designer. It should be readable. A lot of cards I see and I have to use my, magnifying glass to read. Choose the layout wisely. All questions in the end. Harshvardhan, hold your question in the end. I will answer all the questions in the end. Let me finish. So Preet Thomas, this is my card, my dear friends, with my nice photograph. Can you see it now? Have your photograph. People will not forget you. We meet so many people, and if possible, have QR code and double proofread. No spelling error. I got a card a few months back. There were 2 names. Ramesh Jain, Amit Jain. So I forgot I met Amit Jain or Ramesh Jain. 2 mobile number. Which mobile number to send a message to? It's your personality, your brand, what you wear, what you talk, what's your card, what's your website. All those things will matter big time. 7 tips to stand out at the event. Your smile. How many of you love my smile? Type smile in the comment box. It's the cheapest way to improve your looks. And then your winner's body language. Who does this in Bollywood? Shah Rukh Khan, the king of Bollywood, right? Type XRK in the comment box. So I'm typing a name, Amy Kadhi. I recommend everyone to watch this video on body language. Your life can change your destiny. आपकी किस्मत बदल सकती है अगर winners का body language होगा. You will get more opportunities, more business, more clients, more job opportunities. Practice the winner's body language. Type winner's body language, WBL in the comment box. Amy Kadhi. Can someone post the link of that video in the comment box? Any panelists?
I am doing it.
Yeah, Arun, do it. Okay, dress to stand out. If you can spend money, get in touch with Amit Chaturvedi. Take professional help. If you can't afford him, then go to YouTube, books, read everything. But you know, from YouTube, you can't become an Olympic champion. You need a coach, you need a trainer, you need a consultant. I couldn't have lost 22 kilo from YouTube. I hired someone from Chennai, a health coach. Positivity is very important in networking. Your enthusiasm, energy. If you are not enthusiastic, don't network. Do your homework. Which network you are going, how to say your elevator pitch, how many people you want to meet, and arrive 30 minutes early. Now, this is the golden nugget I am giving you. Arrive at a networking event and receive everyone like a host. If you come late there, people have already formed the group, and then you can't catch up. But if you receive everyone as a host, everyone is coming in front of you and you select who you want to go and say hello and engage. And you can then engage with more people than 5 or 10. Uma and me, a lot of time in Delhi, people, I don't know about your cities, but people arrive late at the parties or weddings. So when we go to wedding very early, no host or not arrived. So what happens is in the end, all the waiters and everybody comes to me for the tip. They think he arrived the first, so he is the host. Ye ladki ka baap hai. This is what happens with us. Because I say people have typed printed in the invitation 8 o'clock. We'll go 8 o'clock. I'm very particular about time. We started on time today. My webinars are not even late for a single minute or second. If you are on time, you are 10 minutes late already. We were already, all panelists were logged in today 11:50. So tips for successful networking mixer. Ask for an introduction. As you meet new people and collect business card, write a note. A lot of times there's no photo or anything. So write a note at the back of this thing, what person does, and anything interesting you want to remember about that person, but with the permission. Because a lot of countries, people get offended if you write on their card, in Japan especially. So ask, can I write on your card? Ask the right question, it's all about the other person. Practice listening skills. Now, how do you join the group discussion if there are 5 people already? 5 people are already in the group discussion and you enter there and you see people have already group and you're all alone. What do you do? Type in the comment box. I'll tell you how I do. Yes, networking is spelling error. Thank you very much. हो जाता है कभी कभी. होता है यार. We are humans. Look at the good thing. We are awesomeness glasses. Kamal Asrani साहब, we are awesomeness glasses. Look at awesome thing. Ignore. जिंदगी में कमी सब में मिलेगी. आप में भी होगी, मेरे में भी है. But if we look at people's strength, our life become awesome. Yes or yes, type awesome in comment box. Yeah, Brajesh. go and join the permission. I get into the group and then I tell them, can I join your group? No one has ever said no. And then I also ask them, what are you discussing? I want to be part of this discussion. So you know what? Today's webinar, you may not be able to use all the things. But if you can use one thing or 10 things useful, take it. Na? Ignore other things. If I made some spelling error, I ask for forgiveness, but it's okay. If you are learning something good, it's fine. Take that. Make your life awesome. And build your social capital. It's like currency in the bank. You don't dig the well when you are thirsty. You don't do the networking when you need it. You don't do the networking when you don't need it. And jab aapka time aayega, when you need it, your network, your support system will be there to support you, stand behind you. Right? And when you build your social capital, you help enough people. When your time comes, you can withdraw, like you put money in the bank saving, and when your retirement comes, you start to withdraw. Or your need comes, there's a wedding in the family, education. So there's a Zig Ziglar. He said, you will get all you want in life if you help enough other people to get what they want. These are the golden words. And this is universal law, not his law or my law. You help people, it comes back to you manyfold. And when your network start to sell, mind these words. When your network start to sell, those 1,000 people you know in your network or 10,000 people, they recommend you. You are the best chartered accountant. You are the best graphic designer, or you are the best doctor, Asrani, or you are the best content writer, Avinasha. Then the magic start to happen. And that takes time, ladies and gentlemen. That won't happen overnight. The 20-year hard work makes overnight success. So see this testimonial on LinkedIn. I never met this person till today. He wanted my help. I helped him on one Sunday like this. He called me from Dubai. And then I helped him, connected with him, few people, influencers in Dubai. He needed help from Bangalore. Jagdish Kushlappa. He's he's from Kurg, the coffee place. And he settled in Dubai, started his technology company. Suresh sir is a wonderful human being who is always ready to help and mentor startups and want to see them successful. He sees his success in other success. He has excellent network all over the world, especially in the UAE, and connected me to the right people when I requested him, and after understanding my line of business. I recommend anyone who is looking for a guru or a mentor to approach him. I would like to have a long-term association and take guidance from him time to time. Now, I have invested in this person's network. Tell me tomorrow if I need help in Dubai from this person, is he going to pick up my phone and help me? Yes or yes, type in the comment box. And I did this without any expectation, and it's 4-year-old. We are in touch, we say hello, hi to each other. Till today, I haven't asked him for the help. And this is what networking is all about. You help people, you give more than you get. Note it down. You give more than you get more than you give. You give more than you get more than you give. That is the mantra of networking. And my network helps me to my network. Now the time has come that my network helps my network. Someone called me, he needed help in All India Medical Institute, Delhi. And this on the left is my friend Balram Bhargava. Padam Bhushan he got from President of India. I connected him. One friend, another friend, I became a connector. So as a networker, you become a connector. Now people call me, do you know any good loan guy? Yeah, I know Mukesh Pandey is one of the best loan guy I know. Very ethical. Do you know any insurance guy? Yeah, KM Sharma, one of the best insurance guy. Pawan Sajdev is one of the best insurance guy in my network. This doctor, that doctor. Photographer, Ravinder Sharma, videographer, he did our family wedding in Lucknow. So this is what happened. People ask me now. They need services. Great learning in your network. Remember this. How you do anything is how you do everything. It's the greatest learning from my life, learning from network. Take it back today. Small things. Small things, ladies and gentlemen. If I had started this webinar late today, instead of 12:15 or 12:30, what impression you could have got about me? Type in the comment box. All questions in the end. Hold your questions. We'll have enough time for Q&A. Bad, yes. Unprofessional, not good. And I'm done. This webinar killed 264 people. May not have joined or gone back with a bad impression. This guy is a bullshit. He doesn't respect time. Small things. Not answering messages, not calling back people on the missed calls. Once in a while it may happen. It happened with me also. I'm so busy, sometime it happened, but I try my best that before I go to bed, I reply everyone, I call back everyone. But it is grown beyond my imagination. Messages pouring in from all the places. LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, lot of messaging platform, emails. Ashish Ajmani says, a confession, if I follow this code, it will change my life. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ashish Ajmani, for your awesomeness. So now, ladies and gentlemen, face-to-face meetings are on pause. But relationship building is not on pause. A lot of people are thinking, a meeting to ho nahi raha, kya kare? So this is a greatest opportunity in our lifetime to grow our network. In last 3 months, there are a lot of people sitting here today who haven't met till today. But feels like we know each other for the last life, not even this life. A lot of people. So how to network during COVID-19 and beyond? Networking has become gentler and more supportive because this is the time in our life that we all are facing same problem. Earlier, what it used to be, your problem, what I've got to do, my problem, what I got to do. Now the problem is same. We are all fighting the same problem, COVID-19. The world has become one team. And we all need to eradicate and fight this and change our course of life, change our businesses, learn from each other, grow with each other. We need each other more than any time else in our life. That's because everybody has been affected one way or the other by the pandemic. Don't look on it as what is in it for me. Consider how you can help, how you can contribute. And not just in a professional sense, show that you care. People are more sensitive to that now. More sensitive. So how important is networking? Whenever you are looking for new opportunity or hoping to boost your business or career, this might be the ticket, ladies and gentlemen. Networking is more important than ever these times. A lot of people will be looking for business and this can give you a competitive advantage. The key is to do it sensitively. If you grow your network this time, it has become boundaryless. There are no new business opportunities are happening in these times. So how has networking changed? With the move online, location is no longer a barrier. Now all over India, people are joining. Before this, I had to go to Bombay for one meeting, 1 hour. Even I went to New York for 4 hours meeting. Only 4 hours meeting. Sunday afternoon, I landed there after 24 hours flight and airport. Monday, I did 4 to 6 hours meeting. Monday night, came back to Delhi. Now, no need. We can do all these things on Zoom. Technology. And we are used to it. It's all about helping each other out. People tend to get business through their connection rather than direct friends or colleagues. How many friends have given you business? You know for 30 years. Type in the comment box. How many friends have given you business? No one. But network must have been lost. Virtual gatherings have made it a lot more pleasant too. You know, I love networking. It has helped me to get business for myself and others. My whole business comes from network. Those meetings are often held in the early morning, used to cost 1,000 plus breakfast every week. 50,000 rupees cost, 52 weeks. 52,000, 55, 60,000, 70,000 rupees, travel, early morning, petrol, time. Virtual gathering have made it a lot more pleasant too. The time saved not having to travel also mean you can do more with your time. We at Tajurba Faridabad yesterday had a get-together, family get-together on YouTube. People were singing, children were saying poetries, parents were participating. Amazing, everybody at their own home. And we did a nice party, virtual party. That's possible to do. We are innovating now. You don't have to waste half a day traveling to meet someone just for 1 hour. What took three hours before can be done in 10 minutes now. That's the possibility, ladies and gentlemen. So what can you do to build your network during pandemic? Check out your online identity. The first step is to consider how people perceive you. I suggest that today you call 5 people in your network and ask them professionally, what do you think about me as a professional? And see what they say. If they say you are the best caterer, you are the best chartered accountant, that means your identity is clear. But if they say, I think, you are a good CA, but CA does a lot of many things. If they say you are a good investment banker, or you are one of the best investment banker, or you are the best tax consultant, your identity is very, very clear. Audit your network. This is an opportunity to grow your network and let go some of them. Let go some of them if they are not adding any value, they are not learning anything, and they are not having any positivity. They find defects in you, don't uplift you, they bring you down. Let them go out of your network. They don't belong here. Make it personal. Little bit of empathy goes a long way. People are sending, copy pasting, broadcasting messages. Hope you and your family is fine. Oh, bhai, message copy paste kar lo, naam to upar type kar lo, yaar. Make it a little bit personal. Get comfortable with technology. Looking into the camera when you are speaking online is a good practice. Right now I'm alone and I feel like I'm talking to 271 people on camera. Realize that you have something to offer. You all have something to offer. People say, I don't have a network. What can I offer? You all have something to offer. Maybe some advice, maybe some article. Find some useful article. Send that article to the person. That is also a help. Maybe you can, we all need services. We all file tax. We all need insurance. We all need chashma. We all need dentists. We all need skin specialists. We need nutritionists. You can find them in your network, and when you give them your business and then you give them testimonials on their LinkedIn, on Facebook, if there's a restaurant on Zomato, hotel on TripAdvisor, these ways you can help and build people network. Uma and myself, we went to Mussoorie at a friend's hotel, and I wrote review on TripAdvisor and Facebook. 10-15 people went from my network there, and we forgot about it. After 2 years, someone called me with his reference for my wealth management company, 5 crore rupees check. 5 crore rupees check. We forgot about it. 5-minute investment of writing a review on TripAdvisor and Facebook. That's what giving does to you. It comes back manifold. It comes back multifold to you. Talk to strangers. Your network should reflect the diversity of the economy you work in or want to work in. Connect with unlike-minded people. Unlike-minded people. Unlike-minded people. All you doctors don't have to connect with doctors only. CA, graphic designer, all those people, coaches, trainers, part of your network. Great learning. Be generous. The currency of networking is generosity. Type generosity in the comment box or G in the comment box. Always give something away without looking for something in return. When things come back, you will be remembered. It comes back manifold. Set up a virtual coffee. You can have your own coffee. I can have my own coffee. Let's meet. Change the way we used to do networking. Change the way. Consistency is the key. The biggest mistake newcomers make is to give up when they don't get results quickly. What I was telling you, get married for 1 year, do business for 1 year. It doesn't work that way. It is important to surround yourself with right people. So here is Ravinder Sharma. Is Ravinder here from Faridabad? I tell you his wonderful story. Ravinder and Avinasha, watch this video. Let me see if the sound is okay. Let me connect the sound. Watch this video and I'll tell you. Ravinder is a very good, one of the India's best wedding photographer and videographer. And his business, he did one of our family wedding in Lucknow. He was president of Tajurba Faridabad and now he's a member because president term is very rotating. So his business went down after lockdown. No wedding happening. So leveraging his network, he got government e-education, e-videos work, series of work, crores of rupees, corporate films, e-commerce products, and his business is doubled during pandemic, leveraging network. And when the wedding starts, now his business will be double to double. See what he says.
Hello everyone, myself Ravindra Sharma, owner of Meenakshi Studio and Color Lab, located in Faridabad.
The sound is a little low. Can you hear it?
1.5 year से तजुर्बा के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ. तजुर्बा का बहुत अच्छा चैप्टर फरीदाबाद में फिनिक्स के नाम से जाना जाता है, जिस चैप्टर में लास्ट 6 मंथ में मुझे प्रेसिडेंटशिप पर रहने का मौका मिला. मैंने अपने इस प्रेसिडेंटशिप के टेनोर में बहुत कुछ अपने मेंबर से और हमारे को फाउंडर मिस्टर सुरेश मिनशर्मानी जी से बहुत कुछ सीखने का मौका मिला. मिस्टर सुरेश मिनशर्मानी टाइम टू टाइम अपनी प्रोग्राम्स की ट्रेनिंग्स के जरिए हमें सिखाते हैं कि हमें अपने बिजनेस को कैसे करना चाहिए और उसको आगे कैसे बढ़ाना चाहिए. आज की इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में जिसमें पूरा विश्व आर्थिक व्यवस्था से लड़ रहा है, मेंबर्स, मैं आपको ये समझाना चाहता हूं कि इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में आपको पैनिक होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. आप अपने बिजनेस को आज के हिसाब से चेंज करके उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं आपको अपना एग्जाम्पल देता हूं. फोटोग्राफी सेगमेंट में मुझे सिर्फ यही लगता था कि गैदरिंग होगी तो हमारा काम होगा, गैदरिंग नहीं होगी तो हमारा काम नहीं होगा. लेकिन माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. आज की इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में हम लोग अच्छी और बहुत बड़ी कंपनीज की डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म्स कर रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट के लिए ई लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स कर रहे हैं, जो उस बिजनेस से बहुत हायर लेवल पर हम लोग कर रहे हैं. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैं आप सब लोगों को इस वीडियो के माध्यम से ये समझाना चाहता हूं कि बिल्कुल पैनिक होने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, बिल्कुल घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप अपने बिजनेस को इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं, बस आपको समझने की जरूरत है. सारे मेंबर्स मिलके एक दूसरे को इतना सपोर्ट करते हैं हम कभी किसी को एक दूसरे को बिजनेस की कमी होने नहीं देते. थैंक्स टू तजुर्बा, थैंक्स टू मिस्टर सुरेश मिनशर्मानी for giving me such a beautiful opportunity. Thank you so much.
70 lakh of business Faridabad chapter is done. This is Avinasha and they both teamed up. She's a wonderful content writer, so he needed a script writer. Then he said, why we have to look outside? In the networking, in our own network, Avinasha is there, both teamed up. And Avinasha does all the blogs and everything, content for my website also. Great content writer. Is Avinasha there? Avinasha, say hi. Everyone say hi, Avinasha. If you want a great content writer, Avinasha is there.
Hello everyone. I'm Avinasha Sharma, a content writer. My firm, Creative Creation, came into existence 4 years back. And see, in the competitive market, you need something that can make you stand and make yourself a brand. I was searching for a platform and I got into touch with the members of Tajurba Business Network and they introduced me to this platform. I was lucky enough to be the Secretary Treasurer of Phoenix Tajurba chapter in Faridabad. And being in that leadership team, I learned a lot as a leader. Being in the leadership team, I learned a lot. Our co-founder, Mr. Suresh, already had a huge experience and under his flagship, we learned a lot. His guidance motivated me to survive in this pandemic situation. Our chapter came up with an initiative of reinforcement drive. And yes, that was a boon to all of us. Getting the guidance from our president and our regional director, I also got a lot of business in this pandemic situation. I'm a content writer, So I was writing for articles, blogs, book editing, and also the creation of promotional videos. This is something that I started in the pandemic situation, and I found a good response from my customers. Nowadays, whatever comes my way, I just took it with a good response from my customers, and it motivated me to move ahead. So I just wanted to convey a message, whatever the situation would be, don't let yourself, your morale down. Just keep up high, and pandemic situation or business ups and downs will never be a struggle for you. So keeping this in mind, I just wanted to convey one thing: do hard work, rest, it will take care of. Thank you.
See, we did not know each other. 1 year ago, Avinasha, Ravinder, all these people, many people today are here. 3 months ago, we did not know each other. They are part of family now. They are part of family, one big family, Tajurba family. So my question to you, ladies and gentlemen, is how much business from your network can come if your complete network start to give you business? So each one of you must have 1,000 people in your network. Yes or yes? I have got 14,000 people in my phone book. Those who I have met and saved numbers. So how much business if your entire network start to refer you, recommend you, give their own business? Write the amount. I want you to acknowledge that. Because yes, this is possible to happen. If your entire network, if it is not giving, there's something wrong. But if they start to give you their referrals, the magic will happen. In crores, yeah, you can't count it. But it doesn't happen because we haven't learned networking. In college, school, Harvard, IIM, IIT, no one is teaching networking. We think I'm a self-made man, I'm mehnat karunga, When Uma and myself were in Garment Export, we were working 12 hours, 18 hours. Anyone used to come to our office, we say, why is he wasting our time? Why has he come? Now we welcome people like, Atiti Devo Bhavo. Make everyone feel important. So it doesn't in real life happen. But when you learn networking, then it happens. And it can happen. So are you satisfied with your sales growth? Type yes or no in the comment box. No. No one is satisfied, right? Now I'll show you what can happen. Arun Mishra. Arun?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you tell your Tajurba story.
Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arun Mishra, and I run a technology company called BizBrolly Solution. And I joined Tajurba, like Suresh said, 2 years back. And very first meeting, I got an advice which helped me started saving 5 lakh rupees per annum. But that was just a start. In last 2 years, I'm part of now 3 Tajurba chapters, and I'm RD of Noida and president of Unicorn South Delhi chapter. And why I'm so active in Tajurba? Because of the overall help that I'm getting from Tajurba. I got almost 20 times of the overall return in the very first year only, and now in 2 years, this return overall is 100 times. So it's more than 25 lakh rupees of business that I've got from Tajurba. And not just the business, it's not about the business. The overall learning from the Tajurba, you can see the impact on my leadership in my company, impact of overall personality. My book is coming out, my webinar is coming out. I have started taking training for the other Tajurba members. So it's you can say 360-degree personal growth as well as the business growth. So, and it is happening, you can say, since the day I have joined the Tajurba and the other trainings that Sureshji conducts. So networking and Tajurba had changed, you can say, my outlook for my business and overall my lifestyle.
Thank you, Arun. And Arun is working on Tajurba app, where we're going to have 1 crore people and 1 crore leads every day, right?
Right.
For everyone. Shailendra Chaurasia.
Two people are saying
Yeah.
that they could not hear Arun. So I hope
Their
everyone
audio
else is
problem,
able
Uma,
to
there's
hear.
nothing wrong with this. It's their audio problem, something with
Okay.
the headphone.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
So, my name is Shalin Chaurasia, and I am a system and processes specialist. I play a vital role in businesses by automating their business processes using Google Form and Google Sheets. I'm also the regional director for Tajurba Faridabad and executive director for Tajurba NCR cluster. I have been part of many networking platforms, and after that I happened to join Tajurba in January 2019, and this was the turning point for my life. The kind of support system and mentoring which I got here was not available anywhere else. Personal coaching from Mr. Mansaramani changed all the way of doing my business. I was struggling to establish a business for last 6 years. But for last year onwards, I have started doing a very good business. On an average, I'm making rupees 4 lakh rupees per month from one time or retainership consulting business from various customers. And with the guidance of Mr. Mansaramani, I wrote my book also, Run Your Business on Autopilot, which is available on Amazon Kindle. You can see it on my backdrop. I thank Mr. Mansaramani from core of my heart, and you made my life. Thank you very much.
Kumar Saurabh, quickly.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kumar and I'm a digital breakthrough coach. I came in contact with this wonderful platform last year, 23rd July. That was my first meeting as a visitor. And in the 90 minutes only, I get the insights that this is what I was looking for last 9 years, my business career, which I'm running my organizations. And with that 90 minutes, I got the insight that how building a network can actually give me the rights to build my tarmac to take off. And last 1 year, I have got more than 10x what I have invested over here. And again, the turbo sales blueprint, the pandemic course, which I will say that is something which I can say that the panacea for fighting in this tough time. And my closing percentage from 25%, it has gone up to 80%. Earlier, I was struggling in closing my sales. I applied the learnings and my sales as a consultant, which I was getting 1.5 lakh every month, it has gone to 3.5 lakhs. And every week I take a challenge. I'm getting a business from this community. So I'm lucky that I'm part of this 700 people plus, which is growing every day, every now. And I'm giving my best, learning from sirs and ma'am. Being the chapter president, I have conducted a lot of work, lot more assignment have been given, responsibilities as a chapter mentor and advisor, and marketing work for national and international presence of Tajurba. So this is one of the wonderful platform for any working people or business owner. If you are looking for some mentorship and networking, this is the right forum. Thank you so much, sir, for creating such a lovely platform. I'm proud to be part of this Tajurba family.
Thank you. Thank you. So, thank you all. So, we all work for each other as a sales team. Now, imagine supposing your chapter is of 100 people. That 100 people will work for you as a sales team. Now, I have mentioned for Avinasha, he's a great content writer, what I was doing. I was praising her services in my network today, and I will do that in all other networks. Arun Mishra, Tajurba app, Ravinder Sharma for photography, videography. So all these things we keep on doing for each other because these people are credible, capable. If you get a sales team of 100 people in your chapter, and then a technology enabled app where you can connect all over India and crores of leads passing through the app to each other. In a flash of a second, someone needs services in Bangalore and you are a Ayurveda doctor, someone is looking for arthritis doctor, and you get the lead in your inbox right away through technology. Networking will be the next level. What percentage of your business comes from referral? Type in the comment box, all of you. Through word of mouth, someone referring you. What percentage of your business is coming from? So let me tell you one thing. If you are referred by someone, first of all, your business is coming from 100%, 25%, you leave it to chance. There's a structured system. You have a technology, you have an app. If someone needs your services across India, you get the lead your inbox. How cool is that? Type cool in the comment box. Then you are part of a chapter in your city. You are meeting fortnightly on Zoom. It is not costing you anything. And then people are helping you to give you business and, you know, giving own business and referring you if you are capable and credible. The chances of conversion goes 92%. That's a Nielsen report, not my report. The referral is very, very important. And then you meet a lot of experts there, like Arun Mishra started saving 5 lakh rupees with the help of a chartered accountant. A lot of experts, you know, part of Ayurveda doctors, good content writers, good videos. All these people are expert in their domains, and there's something to learn from some experts. They are expert speakers every time. This is the app. It's already there, but in the beta version. Now we are expanding. Next 60 days, you will see the magic. Someone asked me what is the difference in BNI and Tajurba. I'll tell you in the end. Remember this question, I'll tell you the difference. It is Atmanirbhar Bharat, doston. This is tech enabled. You get leads in your inbox, and networking doesn't have to cost. BNI used to be a wonderful program, used to be. 40-year-old now is for old. It's old. It cannot be conducted that way, that 4 absent and you are removed. No way. And no boundaries. This pandemic has taught us there are no boundaries in networking. And good things comes to people who take action. And we meet one-to-one over Zoom. We call that business development meeting, source of massive referral. And this pandemic has opened opportunities to do our Zoom meeting sitting anywhere. I'm doing 5 Zoom meetings every day. People from Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, Palakkad, you know, Balkat, different places. I'd never dreamed of traveling those places, but now we are meeting one big family. So why Tajurba? Earth's most authentic peer-to-peer. It's only for the leaders. Business is generated through long-term relationship with like-minded people. Structured meeting, 1.5 hours, we are done. Regular pipeline of referral, free access to training worth the fee paid every year. Now this is the major difference. All panelists, please mute yourself. Free access to trainings worth the fee paid every year. Networking is coming to you free. That is the major difference. You pay for the training, world-class training, and then you get the networking complimentary. Access to all the regions and chapters of the city. Leads through Tajurba app. Yes, leads is the keyword. You get leads. No other networking platform in the world except India Mart or Just Dial, but there you don't know people. There's no community. Here you are part of the community. If Tajurba member from Bangalore need your services, you have the right keyword in place and he puts the right requirement. It matches right there and then. That is the power of technology, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the meeting structure. Fortnightly meeting on Zoom. Maximum chapter size 101. 1.5 hour meeting structure. Knowledge session by expert speaker. Yes, every meeting there will be expert speaker, give you some knowledge, some takeaways. Round of introductions by members and guests. You give your smashing elevator pitch. 1 member presentation by highest achiever. Now here the difference is only the people who are achievers will be able to give business presentations. First right of business to the chapter members. Yes. If you are a dentist and you are part of that particular chapter, or there are 2 dentists in that chapter, whole chapter will first give the business to this dentist, refer these dentists, then they will go out. That's the power of your network. So member must do TSB training, turbo sales blueprint, 6 Saturday, 6 session training. That is the requirement. Here the difference is you come through the training. First you learn and then you learn networking, then you become the member. It's not other way around that you become a member and then you come and do the training. Because networking is a bonus for you. You learn and there also you get 10x value 100x value, and then networking is coming to you as a bonus to be part of the community. And every year you get the same training, different trainings. This year you got sales, next year you'll get leadership, third year you get something else. Good connects and professional networks. And you must be expert in your field. Find approval by the chapter board if the above criteria is not met. If you are not expert, you are doing a job or something, but still the chapter board decides that you are a valuable member, they want to have you in the room, then they can approve your thing. So here's the leadership structure. There's an executive director, there's a regional director, there's a president, there's vice president, and 5-6 board members. Leadership team and board member term 1 year. The chapter is run by you only. And then there are ED and regional directors above that. So other activities, there will be accountability partner, family social once in a quarter, annual offsite if the region decides, the chapter decides, CSR, we must contribute to the society. Evening with the influencers, sometimes those influencers don't want to become our member, we'll invite them over and spend the evening with them, and then they give a nice speech, and after that they may give a lot of business. One influencer came to our Tajriba meeting, gave 4 crore business to the members. And date with the mate is that I introduce you someone over the Zoom, I arrange the meeting, that is date with the mate, and you do the same for me. And rise above the crowd, we all dream becoming of leaders. And let's rise from the ordinary. In the network, you learn to become leadership. Okay, so this is our vision, ladies and gentlemen. Our vision is to connect 1 crore SMEs. Yes, 1 crore SMEs. This is a networking revolution happening. On 15th of August, this country is going to be Atmanirbhar of American organizations having networking here in India. We're going to have our own Indian Tajurba. The US is given Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and BNI to the world. We are going to go an Indian Tajurba to the world. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. 1 crore. That is the big vision. And we will do it before 2023. And then this company will be listed at stock exchange, and ownership will go to all the members. Wealth creation for everyone. This is the example of people who sitting on the edge, they think whether to join or not to join. I give this my favorite example. That Apple Computer has a third partner who sold their partnership back to Steve Jobs for $800, and then when it hit $1 trillion mark, his share was worth $100 billion. That is the opportunity cost. So how much digital marketing costs? Minimum 50,000 rupees a month. How much Tajriba membership costs? It's not 35,000 rupees. It's not 20,000. Networking doesn't have to be this expensive in pandemic and after pandemic now. It's not even 10,000. It's only cost 4,999 plus GST. That too for the training, not for the Tajriba. This is coming to you complimentary. So this is the world-class complementary training. First of all, you learn sales mastery. Most people have learned here. Second is closing your sales. Sales is the oxygen. Without sales, no business happens. So everyone, that is why this is the first training we offer to you. Superpower high ticket closing techniques. Very, very important based on spin selling. Publish Amazon bestseller. All my students become author, because once you are an author, your brand authority goes through the roof. Earn 5 to 10 lakh rupees if you want to do your webinars. And a lot of people think, how many of you think it's difficult for you to do webinar? I'll teach you how to do webinar. All of you can do around your specialization. The education is the hottest business. Online education is the hottest business right now, ladies and gentlemen. So this is what is all about. All the courses you get for this price. So irresistible offer is 4,999 plus GST. And we have affiliate program, so you can recover this fee also. You refer 10 people, you get 10%. The people you refer, they get 10% discount. So 10 people and you recover your costs. It's free. So we have a wonderful affiliate program also. So this is the fee structure. Annual fee only 4,999. TGC membership comes complimentary. Meeting fee or commitment fee is only 99 rupees per fortnight. That's it. So that you are committed, you attend the meeting and you add value. So this is the space empty. I invite you to join Tajurba. Here are the bank details, and in the meantime, I would request my other panelist, Saransh. Would you like to tell your experience about Turbo Sales Blueprint, Dr. Sukumar and Preeti More one by one? So starting with Saransh.
So can I start?
Yeah, Kumar, can you post the link in the comment box?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
Yeah, come on.
Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Saransh Gupta. I'm into multiple businesses and primarily I'm a marketing and business development consultant. So I met Sir about 3 months back and I started with the Turbo Sales Blueprint program, and later on I also took the 1-year program. And it has been a wonderful, wonderful journey for me. I have learned spin sales techniques that have really helped me in my high ticket closures. And apart from my conversion rate has gone up from earlier. I used to be able to convert like 20-30% of the leads. I'm able to convert 90% of those leads. And another thing that I would like to mention is I've got a lot of community business. So as Sir calls it, community commerce. That is something which is really great. So till now, in the last 3 months, I've got a community business worth about 14 to 15 lakh, and I'm really grateful to serve for that.
Saransh and we haven't met till today.
Yes, sir. And okay, I have not met Sir till today, but luckily now I have been appointed as the Chief Branding and Creative Officer for Tajurba for national and international level. So I'm very, very grateful and honored for that position. So thank you all.
Dr. Sukumaran from Mumbai.
Yeah, good evening to everybody. When this lockdown started, I was going through a Facebook. That time I saw Sir advertisement over there. And the first this webinar, like you people attending, I have attended, immediately joined. After that, I started these classes every Saturday around 2 hours. And there is a one-to-one program also in this. In the one-to-one program, I'm into industrial contracting company and all. We're going through a very bad phase in this. I said, so what is your challenge? He asked. This is my challenge. I'm getting a lot of projects. I don't have money. Immediately he WhatsApp two numbers to me and to other number also. Then said, he contact this team in Delhi. They will do the needful. Now they are restructuring my company. This is the one advantage I got. I thought this network, what it can help me, because I was associated with other network earlier and all. I'm not naming the one. There only everybody will come and do some 30 seconds, this, that and all. Here it is not like this. One thing I can tell you is very senior to me, but this man talk dil se. He will talk from the bottom of the heart. He's not at all a selfish man. He will give whatever you ask. He will give that too in a result, will be result oriented one. I'm not a marketing man for this and all, because I joined recently. I don't know much about this group also. I am now connecting with that. Now I'm in the Mumbai chapter, and now I am connecting my friend circle. I have sent to so many people because I felt this will help. This is not a businessman, and it is going to be a family. And myself, my company was a listed company earlier. When he said the IPO and all, you spend this whatever the hours you spend. If you join, you forget about this money. If you join with this multi-folder, your personality, your courage, your everything will be increased. So I was not at all in a position to write a book. Now in 2 classes, now I'm started, I'm getting little bit time spending and started writing my own book. I'm thinking of starting my own YouTube with my experience to share the people, not for the money, to share my things. This all inspiration started from this gentleman, Mr. Suresh. And again, I'm telling you, he will talk from the bottom of the heart. He's not a businessman, I'm telling you. He's a mentor. Day before yesterday, when Tom from America, he's attended in his daily 11 o'clock this. He said one word. What is your secret? He asked him. He said, you appoint a mentor. Rule number 1. Rule number 2, only follow the mentor. Make him your mentor, you will success. You all are in problem, you are in need. That's why you all are wasted the time and coming over here. It is not a waste. You people will achieve. This is my word. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sukumaran. Looking forward to meet you when this pandemic is over soon. Preeti
Yeah,
More
we
from
never met,
Pune.
sir.
Preeti from Pune. Unmute, Preeti.
Hello, am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yes.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Preeti More this end, which was given awesomeness classes. I ran a travel company called MFW Travels. And during this pandemic that everyone knows like how travel has been hampered. And then I realized when I come across with Sir's courses, so there I learned how networking is so important. And again, as I know, like, you know, most of the businesses who have got success or who have reached to 7, 8, 9 figure income, that 80% has always come from the networking. There was a big challenge with me having a good networking channel, and even with my sales also. When it comes to sales, it was a big no to me. So I always try and look someone for sales. But now with the courses, I'm so confident that I know that I can close any kind of sales when it comes to future. And with the networking also, when I am still finding a challenge to find my potential customers, I already got few of them from the family itself, from the Tajurba family itself. So it's very good to be a part of Tajurba, and I really appreciate Sir's efforts and support also. And I was always looking for a good mentor. It's been ages and I was looking for a good mentor, and I feel Suresh sir is the one which I was really looking for it, and I'm very fortunate to have him as my mentor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Preeti. Wonderful. So these are all the people we haven't met till today, and now they have become part of the community, part of the family, and we invite you also to become part of this family. So there are the bank details. These are, you know, in this slide there's a mistake, 5,999 with GST, so I'll correct it. But 4,999 right now. So let me go back to the. Kumar, have you posted the details in the chat box?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anyone is paying, please send me. This is my mobile number 9811933111 on your screen. Note it down, 9811933111. Just send me the screenshot of the payment. I'll announce your name and your city, and I'll put you in the city chapter tonight. I'll add you to your city chapter, and you will also be added to the training group. And every Saturday 7 to 9 we have a training. So we speak Hindi, English both. All right. So anyone who's paid, please send me a screenshot at 9811933111. And any questions now? Let me take few questions. Muralidhar, Bangalore chapter already operational. It's getting operational after 15th August. There are around 15 to 20 people already there in the group. We'll add you to the group. Manoj Pamar, this course is a live for this round only. And after this, it will be on video only. It's already on the video, but this round from this Saturday onwards, I'll do one round on live. After that, I'll stop doing live and people will get videos only. But I won't have time after that. But this 6 Saturdays, you will get live from coming Saturday onwards. Okay, so Amit Chaturvedi saying Varsha Chaturvedi from Mumbai, she's joining. So welcome Varsha to the, so you can pay through directly to the bank. You can pay to the Paytm, Google Pay. It's 4,999 plus GST, all courses that comes to 5,900 something around, around 6,000 rupees. So these are the courses on your screen. 4,999 plus GST. Anyone wants to take a screenshot of this slide, please take a screenshot. And 15th August onward, the chapter meetings will start. No, it did 5899. So 4,999 plus 18% comes to 5899. Yes, you are right, Girija. Thank you for your awesomeness. Yeah, Chennai also. Chennai also is there. Ramesh, Chennai chapter is also there. You will be added tonight. Any more questions on networking? And send the screenshots of the payment and you will be added tonight. Ruchi Chaturvedi also joined. Thank you, Amit Chaturvedi. So his wife and his sister both are joining. Chennai, let me check, Ramesh, how many are there? Right now, we have in Chennai, we have got 9 members. We need 1 member in every city. That's it. All our Delhi NCR chapter started with first member and then it grows. We need one person. Girish Ahuja, Bangalore is not, Gwalior is not there yet, but you will start. Girish Satija. We need only 1 member in one city. And you are not paying for the networking. You are paying to learn the sales and the book writing and how to earn money through webinar. How to earn 5 to 10 lakh rupees through webinars. How to convert your sales in existing business. The networking is coming complementary to you. Yes, Bangalore is there, Ramakrishna. Bangalore is already there. Let me show you Bangalore, how many people are there. So Bangalore are 21 people already there. And anyone joining next week, they'll pay 5,999. This is only the today's price, 499. That's why that slide came 599. And then there is an affiliate program too. See, this will be next week. People who don't join today will pay 5,999. So your choice. Yeah, by evening, Ramesh is fine. By evening is fine as long as you send me the screenshot. I'll register you. Whoever pays tomorrow or day after will be 5,999. Any more questions? Vishwajit, okay, please send me the screenshot. Ramakrishnan, 1 hour is fine. That's fine. Send me the screenshot. This is my 4,999 plus GST. 5,899 is your fee. And this is my mobile number here. Send me the screenshot 9811933111. You can Google Pay, you can Paytm at this number. You can directly pay to the bank on your screen. You can also use your credit card with the link in the comment box, or you want me to send you the link, I'll send. Anirudh Nayak from Goa. Hi Anirudh, you have sent me a WhatsApp message. What can I do for you? What's your question? Okay, so here is the action taker. Karthik has already paid. Thank you for your screenshot. Karthik, which city are you from? So here are the people who take action, believe in taking action. Yeah, Goa already we have, let me tell you how many people from Goa. So Goa, we have right now 6 people from Goa in this group. Oh, Delhi, Karthik, Delhi, what part of Delhi? What part of Delhi you are, Karthik? Sachin Jain, can I pay later in the day? Yes, you can pay, but if you pay tomorrow, will be 5,999. If you pay today, it's 4,999. Okay. Suresh Balodi, I want to will these 5 courses will start from 15th of Suresh Balodi. You attended yesterday only the course. Please call me after the webinar. You are very confused. You attended one class already yesterday. The courses are recurring. These are happening every Saturday. The chapter will start 15th August, the networking part, where you will give referral to each other. You will do your elevator pitch. The training is on. Karthik is from Dwarka. So welcome to Dwarka. Okay, Sachin, no problem. Send the screenshot today. As long as you send it today, you get this discount. Yesterday evening session is already there. Last because this was the 3rd time that happened, Suresh Balodi. The session are already online. We'll send you the link. Every course is already online also available, and I'm doing live also. So you have lifetime access to repeat, reverse, whatever you want to do. Ramakrishna Saab, that's okay, fine. If you are committed, I am committed too. Go ahead. Dheeraj Jotwani, you are alone in Chhattisgarh, so add. Why do you are there? You add local people. We need one person from one city. I know the 100 will come. We need one leader. That's it. Alone Mahatma Gandhi could make us get us freedom. Yes, Sonia, there are people in Nashik. They already. So Ramakrishna has paid 3,000 rupees. Ramakrishna, send me the screenshot. Ramakrishna has paid 3,000 balance. He says he'll pay in 2 days. That's also perfectly all right. Okay, guys. Any other question? Pune, Hemant Marathe, Pune. A lot of people are there. Preeti is the regional director appointed in the Pune. So you can get in touch with Preeti. Amravati, yes, Amravati also 1 or 2 people are there. Yes, Janardhan, I will upload this. This is available on Facebook Game Changer group. Join. This is right now going live on Facebook, and I will upload on YouTube also tonight, and you will get this. Yeah, Janardhan, you are a Turbo Sales Blueprint student. So here is the Preeti's number, Hemant. You can connect with Preeti in Pune. There are a lot of people from Pune already there. Yeah, Surbhi is from Saharanpur and Dehradun. Sanjay Bankar, yes, you are also a Turbo Sales Blueprint student. Fantastic. Ramakrishnan, you send the screenshot. Ramakrishna, I haven't got your WhatsApp till now. Hope you have sent it to the correct person. This is my WhatsApp number 981193311. Yeah, Anil, 5999 is for tomorrow. Today, if you pay, it will be 4999. 4999 plus GST is 5899. Anil. This is today respecting you to be here. Ramakrishna, send me the screenshot, please. I haven't got it. Yeah, now I have got it. Now I got it, Ramakrishna. Please type your name, correct spelling, and your city. Which city are you from? So I got your screenshot, Ramakrishna. Thank you very much. So can we end this now? Type yes in the comment box. Let's end this. Those who are paying, send me the screenshot and I will keep adding you in the relevant groups and send you all the links and everything. Type yes in the comment box. Any other questions? So we should end this. Yes. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. Have a great Sunday. It was great honor to serve you today, to connect with you today, and looking forward to see you all when this pandemic is over in physical in your cities with Tajurba meetings, and we'll come and get together, have tea, breakfast, meet, and learn from each other. Okay.
You mean right?
Yes, Oman, and vote of thanks.
Thank you, everyone. It was such a wonderful experience having you all with us, discussing about how network helps us and discovering how network can help us going forward. Because certain things we know that we know, certain things we don't know that we know, and certain things we don't know that we don't know. It's best to work on them and gain knowledge, because knowledge is power if it is implemented. Do we all agree? So wonderful having you all here. Have a great networking time ahead. Looking forward to see you in our future sessions. Enjoy yourself. Have a great weekend.
Thank
Bye.
you all and all the panelists. Thank you very much. Arun Mishra, Saransh, Dr. Sukumaran, Kumar Saurabh, Preeti, Shailendra Chaurasia. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. A pleasure being here.